All right, so here's a bunch. And so you could be like, do you like this many or do you want more? I think I'm going to add more. And maybe some new colors. So again, I'm just going to dab some glue all over. And what about blue? You see that tiny blue bead? Now we do have smaller things. I tried to film a video using smaller, more to scale pieces, and you couldn't see anything. And now I'm realizing I probably should have done pink or red instead of blue. But this is my cool, classy tree. So I guess I'm feeling a little understated today. I think I've got one hole down here. Add a little more glue and one more bead. And there you go. So the other thing I could do is I could add glitter to this. I'm thinking about maybe a star. You see that little star? That would be pretty cute on top. And the other benefit of using a glue that dries clear is that you can not worry too much about what it looks like. Look at that, beautiful tree. So I hope you have a lot of fun decorating trees, and we'll see you soon.